a shape, and this is what will create that optical illusion on a two-dimensional surface, right? And there's actually three values here. Values is a jargonic term. You know, every field have its verbosity, right? And values means number of shades. Two values mean two different shades, right? And if you look at the ocean, it's two shades, the light shade and the upper part of the line. If you look at the two-dimensional child, is why does he act like a child? It's a fascinating form of rhetoric because Mannix recede back to this sort of correlation between adolescence and impulsivity, which you find, studies have shown you find far more.
440 hertz. That is the number of waves that occurs per cycle. Hertz was actually named after a person. When you double the frequencies, 440 hertz, you get 880. So you have a higher frequency, right? But it's the same sound.